Welcome to our day's kitchen where the food is so damn delicious. I'm getting ready to fry the fish, frying some porgies. And listen, I'm from old school, so remember the bags, right? You put the batter in the bag, nothing changed. So, here we go. Throw a couple porgies up in there. This is how my mama taught me. So you gotta continue the tradition, okay? Never forget where you came from. Makes a big difference. I'm a quick cooker, so I tend to move a little quick. You know, it's just natural for me. Make sure the batter is on the fish very well. Look at them nice juicy porgies. Make sure your grease is nice and hot. You know fish don't take that long, so always make sure your grease is nice and hot. And a secret to cooking fish, once the sizzle tone starts to tone down, that's when you know the fish is ready to come out. Should be nice and ready. Let that drain off, and then I'm going to set it inside that pot for my stew fish. This is just simmering really low because I didn't want it to, boil out. That should be enough time. We can just set them bad boys right up in there. Look at that. This meal is going to be so damn delicious. You just take that. This is porgies. Porgies have a nice taste. I cook porgies a lot. Sometimes I stuff it, as well as saute it like this, make it like a stew, or just fry it and eat it like that. The stew fish would go well over with grits. Southerners, they love grits. A lot of people love grits. This one's gonna be so damn delicious.